Good morning, everybody. We have a new vehicle coming in, new inventory. Nice pickup truck, good work truck. 2012 Ford F350 Lariat edition, fully loaded with a Power Stroke diesel, 6.7 liter 4x4. It's got some roof damage. We'll do a quick walk around. Start under the hood. As you can see, no damage to the engine compartment. The unit does run and drive. Runs well. There's no frame damage, no undercarriage damage. Looks like something just fell on the roof. We'll go over the damage momentarily. Looks good under here. Alright, right side is pretty clean. Right front door is clean. Windshield is okay. The hood is good. Right rear door looks good, with the exception of some damage up here. That's where the tree limb fell. Bedside is good on this side here. No suspension damage. Got a little bit damage to the body here. Cab here is pushed in a little bit. You can see right there, and this is where the roof is pushed down. Not too bad. Looks like you could fix it. Let's walk around the other side. Left front fender is good, hood is good, left front door, no damage whatsoever. Left rear door is good. Left rear bedside is damaged. Tailgate is in good shape. Rear bumper is good. No suspension damage, no frame damage. That's where whatever hit it, whatever fell on it, fell. Let's take a look at the roof. Nice leather interior. All the airbags are good. That's the mileage. Just breaking in, it's a diesel. Nice builder if somebody needs a work truck. We'll post it on the website soon. Give us a follow, subscribe to our YouTube. We'll keep these videos coming. Thanks for watching.